Hey guys, I just hope everyone is well. I just want to leave a lovely feedback and review because I think she definitely deserves it. I just completed the online course, which was the adult online public speaking course, which was to do with communicating with confidence. And you never ever think that you would need something like that as a skill, part of your daily life. Now, even being in the events industry like myself, who manages weddings and is always in the sort of public domain when I'm doing speeches or when I'm actually hosting an event. However, her course just gave me some extra insight of actually how to present myself. Just simple things such as like I just done it now, as trying to forget to say the word and when you slow down, I realize that you then tend to think of what you're going to say next. People always think that you need to rush the speech or you need to rush speaking and presenting something, but there is no such thing as speed. If you literally take a step back, slow down, and just think of what you're going to say. Present your notes, plan ahead, which is one thing I learned so much in terms of her online course. So I just want to say thank you so much, Sonal, Dave. Much love to you. You've given me so much insight, and hopefully I'll take this and everything I've learned on your public online course and take it to all my events moving forward. So thank you so much, Sonal, and I'm so grateful to you for allowing me to be involved in this course as well. Thank you so much and all the best. And guys, all girls, anyone, whether you're whatever age you're at, whatever caste, religion, whatever it is, I definitely recommend that you take up this course as you will feel confident yourself, not just talking amongst the public domain, but also when you're speaking amongst your friends and your family and so on. So you come across very positive. So thank you again, Sonal, and I will definitely be in touch. And please let me know of any other courses you have. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.